Oops, I honestly didn't mean to do that. But I'm sure they enjoy flying. Just trying to feed them grapes, but there's a lot of birds for the amount of grapes I have. Not the pigeons don't eat grapes, they prefer seeds, but the seagulls will eat anything, and the ducks don't really get a chance to scramble with the ice being thin. I'm sure some animals just hibernate and fast until they can find food, and maybe some humans come along and feed them as well.